Still here, Donut? How was your exam? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it whatever? He's wearing a shirt. It's hot today. It's still cold, but it's not as cold as yesterday. It's because it's 12 right now. I think yesterday, what time did I stream? Like at 8? Some shit like that. Yeah. First part was easy. Second part had a lot of proof, so it was a little difficult. Damn. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. I need to start labeling these things. That's why I'm here, so I could watch you do proofs after the final. That's your. Is that your last? That's your last math class? I forget. By the way, welcome in everybody. Rezi, Rex, Justin. Hope you guys are doing well. That's your last one? Damn. Never have to worry about it again. Chilling. Removing fellow bots one by one. Oh, follow bots, fellow bots. Damn. What do you mean removing one by one? Why do you have to remove them? Just called me a bot. Let's see. The key follower numbers legit. It went from 1600 almost 2K. It doesn't filter it on its own? I thought it filtered on its own. Like it goes back to the original number after a while. Let's see. Okay, suppose this is measurable. Then f squared and This is measurable. Okay. Smart guy stuff. AKK. How you doing? Are you working today? Let's see. Let G of X be from R to R. Let G be from R to R. I am annoyed at work. Oh no. The girl that took my spot didn't listen to any of her training and keeps asking me stuff I told her and written down. Damn, that sucks. Yeah, I remember you mentioned that last stream about that one girl. You should have gave her you should have gave her a should have paywalled your advice. You gave her a free subscription for about a day and say that if she wants access to more information, that she needs to pay you. It doesn't know not to slow bro alt the enemy tank. Hey, I slow bro alt whoever I need to slow bro alt. Sometimes it is the tank. Send her my Ko-Fi for donation. Do it. Have someone record it. Okay, let G of X from R to R. And G of X. G of X is equal to X. They spent $4 on me last night with them follow bots. I'm worth $4. Is that how much it costs? What the heck? How do you know this? I don't even know where they do this. You know, it low key. It's low key. It low key feels like it's like a disease. You know, like I feel like if someone gets follow botted and they rate somebody, then they get the disease. I'm obviously trolling, but that's what it sometimes feels like. It seems like that if it's like contagious. Oh, you chappy cheated. Honestly, I always forget about that. $1 for every 100 followers. Finally, he's into the Unite community. I know. Are you aware of all the bad eggs now, KK? Have you seen them? Ren, send me some. Send me some pokeroos. What the hell is a pokeroos? I made an enemy of someone most likely. Oh, I warned him first. Yeah, and the fact that people are willing to spend, Even $1 to do something like that is like, it's like crazy. Okay, note that g of x. Oh, note that g is continuous. It's a virus in the Pokemon games that. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. Oh wait, no. Is that actually a legitimate virus? Because I feel like I remember there was like a virus in the Pokemon community, or something like that. What was it? Was it Pokemon? Pokyrus. Pocus Pokerus. Was there a virus or something like this? I swear that sounds vaguely familiar. It might have not been called Pokyrus, but I feel like there was something like that. I can't remember. Note that G is continuous. Hi, I guess I was about to say how you guys doing. I already asked you guys. Holy. Oh my gosh, I hate my handwriting. By result, there's a result involving continuity. Functions. Yes, there you go. Every continuous function is measurable. And if E is measurable. This is 3.5. Did you ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise? You're doing better than your handwriting, bro. I was typing that before you said it. What's the plan for today? Doing any streaming? Doing any non-streaming? A result 3.5. G is a measurable function. RL Hogwarts now or Unite later? I see. You know, you got me. I don't know if I told you this last time, but you got me playing Hogwarts again because I was like probably 3/4 of the way into it, and I remembered I really liked playing the game, and then I played again, and I completely forgot all the mechanics. This measurable function, okay, and then by the previous result, which is this one, 3.9. Hogwarts is on sale somewhere. You told me this, and another friend too. Oh, that's my memory. My memory is awful. Bro, the dark spells are so they make the game so much easier, and I don't care. The dark spells are cooler. Let's see. Yeah, the dark spells or the unforgivables. Okay, I'm spending on those. Yeah, yeah. They make it so easy, but I mean, if you want like a challenge, it I imagine if you don't work on those, that it could still. I mean, you would have to like combo a little bit more, but I think it's still probably relatively easy. Maybe the dark side is better. Yes, exactly. The dark side's always cooler. The force lightning, force lightning is so cool. The red lightsabers, unforgivable spells, just the lore behind it, stuff like that. It's always so cool. Hey Luna, how you doing? Are you drinking some tea today? Any what was it, green tea? Joseph is back from the grave. I've been catching up on sleep instead of studying. I missed your stream again yesterday. No worries, Joseph. You never had to feel bad about missing any of my streams. I should go without saying. I'm just saying it in case it's not obvious. Peppermint today. Yep, drinking green tea right now. Are you drinking tea, Rezi? Peppermint tea? I don't think I've ever had anything like that. What the heck is peppermint tea? Is that just mint leaves? I want to, but deleting bots. Good, delete them all so all the uh all the bad players don't have bots to play with and are forced to play with real players. Yeah, basically. I see. Yeah, I should try it one day. I never even imagined that that's a thing because I completely forgot mint comes from a leaf. I'll drink one that only has peppermint as an ingredient. Wait, is that a peppermint leaf? What does that even mean? Is that a real thing? I'm so ignorant to these things. My result 3.9. Um, hmm. Bro, mint with black pepper. That's what I was thinking. I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. You can never be too sure. Don't listen to me. Oh my gosh. You see? I don't know any better. Let's see. I feel like I'm missing something here. Oh, I think I need to use x squared instead. Is it x squared? Or is it just x? If it's just x, hmm, g of f. It's g of f. Yeah, it's g of f. No, I think the order is the flow of the logic is. No, this is fine. This is measurable. Continuous. And this measurable. And it's measurable. Okay, got that. Nice. Mohawk or no Mohawk? I don't think Mohawks look cool at all. I mean, they look cool, but I don't think they look good. Make mine look decent. I mean, if you can make it look decent. Did you see that the Yu-Gi-Oh channel cycled back to the first Duelist Kingdom? When I saw that, it was on Yugi's battle with a puppet of Pegasus. They always do. I cannot watch the ones after 5DS. Yeah. I I feel like the viewership kind of like drops down a little bit when you get to that point of the series. The first two are goated, like the GX and the original series. Dueling on bikes. Hey, if it's not on bikes, it doesn't count. You gotta have the added risk of getting into a motorcycle accident. Okay, the product. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is the product, and then I'm gonna play a few games. Okay, what do we have for the product? Hmm. Oh, this is very straightforward after we have everything. So note that FG is equal to 1/2. I can only imagine the pitch meeting. So like we're chefs, right? Let's make a show where we cook in space in astronaut suits are floating around. Okay, but how about we like taste? How about we taste the food? We don't even taste it. Hey, someone hire this guy. He's onto something. When trying to innovate, goes nowhere. It goes some. It's gonna go somewhere for somebody. Someone's idea is useful to somebody, I guess. This is result what? This is result 10 and uh, this wait 3.8. I guess I can call him 3.8. 3.10. QED. Oh, I should write this here too. All right, that was good. Let's see. What is this? Since we have to establish linearity, the product of two supposed to show that the square. Okay, so this is just showing this stuff, which I already did in the last proof. Um, okay. The next is going to be about the characteristic function. I already did this. Oh, this is done too. This is nice. Oh, I forgot about this too. Maybe I should prove this. I'm just going to attach it to that same result because this is going to be useful later. Just add it in. Um, move this over here. What do I put here? This is to the P. P is, let's see, P is, it's just greater than 0. Okay, just need to add one more line. Finally, let P be greater than 0 and g of x equal to x to the P. Wait a minute. Yeah, x to the P. This will work. X to the P. Followed by someone called 6969. Hey, keep that guy. Okay, dude. Since G is continuous, G is measurable, thus G of F, which is equal to, oh, G of absolute value of F. That's what I want, which is equal to 3.9. Easy. Okay, that's a nice thing about the composition theorem is it gives a lot of things for free. I'm almost deleted with 2 legendary. That's right. Keep that guy. Okay. I'm going to, let me think. I'm a little bit lazy today. I don't know if I want to go through more. It was going to be a short version of math today, but do I want to go through more? Let me read this. We identify two measurable functions with a common domain that agree almost everywhere. In particular, in view of proposition 4, we identify a measurable function that is finite almost everywhere with a real value measurable function. This identification permits the extension of measurability results for real valued functions to hold over extended real valued functions that are finite almost everywhere. Wait, that are finite almost everywhere. Typo alert. Unless you want to emphasize almost twice. Not just almost everywhere, but almost everywhere. Regardless of the possibility that functional values that are finite wait, I'm like reading the same line again. Oh my. Regardless of the possibility that functional values of sums and products may not be properly defined at points at which one of the functions takes an infinite value. In particular, the above theorem extends to measurable functions that are finite almost everywhere. Okay. If A is any set, the characteristic function of A, chi of A, is a function on R defined by this. Okay, this is fine. It is clear that the function chi of A is measurable if and only if the set A is measurable. Consequently, since there are non-measurable sets, there are non-measurable functions. Okay. Many of the properties of functions considered in calculus, such as continuity and differentiability, are preserved under the operational composition of functions. As the next example shows, the composition of measurable functions may not be measurable. What? Okay, so that's an example. I'll look at it next time. I need to think about this a little bit more. I'm a little too lazy to kind of unravel this idea. I know there's an issue with infinity, or some issues with infinity. So I need to like look at that more carefully. But this is done. And I know the max and min functions are useful. And we're almost done with this section. Okay. That's good enough for me.